Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Versatile Ground. This is Lakshmi. Today we are going to see the best food to boost your immune system. Considering the current COVID-19 situation, there is particular a public interest on increase in immune defense easily. Feeding your body a certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. So, if you are looking for home remedy to boost your immunity during this pandemic, you can plan your meals to include these 10 powerful immune system boosters. So, let's see which are those. Citrus fruits. Most people turn to vitamin C after they have got a cold. That's because it helps to build up your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells. These are key to fighting infections, and most popular citrus fruits are grapes, orange, lemon. As your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for your health. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeeze of this vitamin to any meal. Red bell peppers. If you think citrus fruits have the most vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Red bell peppers contain twice as much vitamin C as citrus. They are also a rich source of beta carotene. Beta carotene helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. Beta carotene is a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and boost immune function by increasing disease fighting cells. Excellent sources include sweet potatoes, carrots, and green leafy vegetables. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals, packed with vitamin A, C, and vitamin E, as well as many other antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your table. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to food and it's a must have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. Garlic may also help lower blood pressure and slow down hardening of the arteries. Garlic's immune boosting properties seems to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur containing compounds such as allicin. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and other inflammatory illness. Ginger may also help decrease nausea. While it's used in many sweet desserts, ginger packs some heat in the form of gingerol. Ginger may help decrease chronic pain and may possess cholesterol lowering properties. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that have live and active cultures printed on the label, like Greek yogurt. These cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. Try to get plain yogurts rather than the kinds that are pre-flavored and loaded with sugar. You can sweeten plain yogurt yourself with healthy fruits and drizzle of honey instead. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D, so try to select brands fortified with vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and it's thought to boost your body's natural defenses against diseases. Turmeric. You may know turmeric as a key ingredient in many curries, but this bright yellow bitter spice has also been used for years as an anti-inflammatory in treating arthritis. It has high concentration of curcumin, which help decrease exercise-induced muscle damage. Almonds. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. However, vitamin E is key to a healthy immune system. It's a fat soluble vitamin. meaning it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. A half cup serving, which is about 46 whole shelled almonds, provides nearly 100% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E. Papaya. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C. You can find 224% of daily recommended of vitamin C in a single papaya. It also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papaya have decent amount of potassium, vitamin B and folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. Spinach. Spinach made our list not just because it's rich in vitamin C, it's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta carotene, which may increase the infection fighting ability of our immune systems. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking enhances its vitamin A and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid. So, these are the 10 foods that can boost and strengthen your immunity. Subscribe our channel for more such videos. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.